Hello everyone, Twilight Minecraft. Welcome back to Don't Stop. We're on day 2. Hopefully we'll get through day 2 and 3. I think that's about how long I can last per episode. I mean, I don't last that long in bed either, so it's alright. Alright, we're gonna plant these down, because guess who got his mouse? This guy. Yeah, that's right. It's the same day as the last time I was recording. Oh, fuck. Plant the shit. Okay. Eat the food, Tina. Eat the food. Alright, well anyways. So last fucking god, I cannot plant jack shit. Okay. So we'll plant these here because you know what? Nature. So we need to love nature, and we don't. I have my mouse, so I can rapid click now. Like there ain't no goddamn tomorrow. Alright. Oh wait, we probably could make. Wait, hold on. I just escaped. Alchemy engine. Wait, oh my god, we can make an alchemy engine, I think. Maybe. Hold on. I need to mine this shit up. I need to eat the food. Tina. I love the music on this thing. Whoever wrote the music, you're fucking fabulous. I'd probably do things with you if you wanted to. Never mind, I'm gonna stop that before it's a little. Ooh. Call me. Alright, don't starve. In the game about not starving. It broke. Oh no! Give myself that gold nugget. I feel like I'm slowly losing my mind as I play this game. I need to go. I wonder if Don't Starve is actually like a giant. Oh my god, it came with 2. Never mind, I can build the alchemy engine. Fuck yes. That's right, we're doing it. We are doing the do. Yeah, we're doing the do. With the do. Okay, I've done nothing for food, but that's okay because I have a ton of carrots. Oh wait, refine a couple of stones. How many do I need? My voice just cracked hardcore. Let's build it right here. We did it, and what is it? Day 2 of life, and we're awesome in this game. Oh my god, day 2, and we've got ourselves number 1 on the left. We got ourselves yo science machine in the club. We got alchemy engine right up next to it. What else can we refine? Nothing, because Jesus is part of this, and we can't do shit but top like a top bitch. What the fuck am I doing? I need therapy probably. When I play games like this, I kind of tend to lose part of my mind. Yeah. Well, thank you, Axe from the Dead Man, because you really helped out a lot, man. Like, even in death, you were being nice and helpful to people, and I respect that, man. I mean, think about it, like, he died holding that axe, like, fighting for his life, but then that axe helped someone else down the road. It's really quite touching when you think about it. Hold on, I gotta turn off lights, because it's really fucking bright, I can't see jack shit. Oh yeah, I have to talk about what happened with my phone and why I'm pissed off with AT&T right now. So, okay, so here's what happened. I had Samsung S5, and it stopped plugging into the wall. Like, I couldn't get a charge out of it or anything like that. But thankfully the warranty wasn't up, so I was able to renew it, or get a new one to replace it. How much do I need for this? Log suit. Okay, so I get that, and they give me the new phone, it's all good and stuff. And I was filming my dog, because he was running around looking like an idiot. So I'm filming my dog, and the camera falls. And, like, my old camera, I had this kind of custom-made tripod out of, like, things I found around my house and stuff like that. But, the camera, or the phone hits the ground, and it just breaks. Like, the screen, like, cracks a bit, and I'm like, oh, okay, if it's a cracked screen, that's fine, I'm not gonna complain. I mean, it was my fault, I actually dropped the phone. But then, I try and turn it on, and the phone won't actually even turn on. And, like, it's, like, I can hear it vibrating, like, alerts and stuff are, like, popping up, but it's just not working. I tried, like, resetting it, nothing's working, and I don't think I can get it new. Like, this happened yesterday, last night, and after doing some research, it turns out that even though I have only had the phone for, like, 5 days, actually, I've had this new phone for 5 days, and it's broken, and AT&T won't do anything about it. So, as you can tell, I'm a little disappointed in my phone, because normally it's fine, but it's a pain in the ass, I guess. Alright, 4 wood on the fire there. We got a log soup, we got everything all nice. Wait, let's cook some carrots on the fire. Hear my shitty singing. Alright. Cook that up. Oh yeah, so nice, so good. Eat nom nom, yes, eat so. Oh, why'd I cook those? Whatever. Oh, what the hell? Winter's gonna come and I'm gonna die, so good. And F yourself, Jeff Bridges. What? Actually, I think my favorite actor in Tron was probably Jeff Bridges. So, thank you, Jeff Bridges. You really have made me happy. Gunpowder. Rotten egg, charcoal, nitro. What's gunpowder used for? What can I make? Can I make a gun? Because that'd be actually really cool. Tooth trap. Alright, bee mine. Weaponized bees, what could go wrong? Boomerang. Comes from a land down under. I love that song. I come from a land down under. No. Now I feel like an idiot because that's a really old song, and if people don't know it, then I'm gonna feel like a dumbass. It's heavy. Okay, welcome back. Day 3. Fill up on the train, pick up MC, but don't give a shit. Okay, today's the day for food, because that's something that we're running low on. And we like food, don't we? Yep, crafting up my spear, because I am a hunter. What should I try and kill? It's a kill or be killed world out here, folks. Maybe if I head downward. Grass. More grass. Tuffets. I feel like tuffets of grass. It's weird. I feel like I'm a bit sick. To be honest. TBH. I don't know. I think, yeah. The weather's been acting all weird. I've been all like sniffly blowing my nose constantly. I feel like I may be coming down with a cold or something. Which I mean, honestly, I wouldn't care. School's just been really hectic. Midwinter break is coming up soon, so I'm going to be able to relax and stuff. We had a lot of snow, actually, which is kind of rare, but we had a ton of it. Yeah, I'm typically fine with missing school. Shit, I want to kill that. Well, not man, rabbit. Welcome to the backwood. Everyone can kill robbers. In my American accent, how y'all doing? I don't like that. I sound fucking stupid. I feel like all Americans are kind of weird in their own way, though. Kill it. I wish there was like a range weapon, like a boomerang, which is, guess what we're gonna make. Alright, how do I make this boomerang? Shish kebab. I don't know. All I know is that I need charcoal. So you know what? Mat 'em up, mat 'em up, mat 'em up. Wait, okay, I love the new song on I feel like it's a controlled burn, like very good. Chop that wood, yeah, get that charcoal, yeah, so good. Oh god, yeah, so good. I think I had everything else to make boomerang, so head back up to camp. Looking for food along the way. We got 3 berries, so that should be okay. 4 now. Food's just difficult. That's what I've learned. I wonder why that is. Maybe it's called Don't Starve You. I feel like I'm an idiot sometimes. I don't. I wonder what would happen. Let's do it. What is it down here? Hey guys, sorry about that. The game crashed. Cave depth 1? What? 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 I went into a cave. Shit. That's awkward. Am I probably gonna die in the cave? Nope. Guess what? We're going up out of the cave. Caves are bad. Don't want to be in that. Found an entrance to one, but we're getting out of here. We gotta get back home before night comes. I don't want to be stuck out here. And I want to make a fucking boomerang so I can kill birds. I feel like that's how you do it, because I'm having trouble like getting food and stuff, and there are tons of birds, and they're all around 24/7. It pisses me off, man. I feel like we need to diminish their population. They're overpopulated, and we need to kill them. We need to kill all of them. Because we're assholes. Alright, where's camp? Oh, it's all the way over here, jeez. Wait. Oh, that hurt my feelings. It died in front of me. Where is the camp today? Okay, yep, we're in the right direction. It must have been something you said. We did it, we got back to the camp. Boom, when I walk into the club, like, whoa, got me. God damn it, we need to fucking silk, and I don't have silk, I just spent an entire day with my goddamn time trying to do all the jack shit. But you know what I got to work? Make thermal stone. Yeah, that'd be good for winter. Winter's on the wing. That's from the Secret Garden. It's a good show, actually. Anyway, spring doesn't need to come. Spring is here. Dumb what? What? I have no idea. We're in this world. Let's check out the map. We're gonna go that way. Next episode. I'm gonna end it here because there's pretty much nothing else to do. Thank you so much for watching. The second episode, we have not stopped, we haven't died. I'm gonna get those seeds. I don't know what I wanna do. You gonna drop me anything? No, you're not a nice person. How are you? You gonna drop me anything? No. I Thank you guys so much for watching. Actually, I'm gonna do this. Leave a comment if you know how to kill birds properly without being on that thing. Okay, hopefully that guy will just stay there. And he won't really fall asleep, and I'll kill him. I'll kill both of them while they're sleeping. No, damn it, I'll kill that one, because he's dumb enough to stay. Alright. Fuck. Okay, I'm not gonna end it here, because then I gotta... Yeah, that's gonna be... I'm gonna start the next episode at nighttime, and that'll be stupid. So yeah. AT&T is an asshole. We got night fire in the night. It's gonna burn bright, just like an angel. Cause I like the fire. It was always burning from the world returned on. That was played so much in my social studies class in middle school. Oh man, like crazy, like every day. I was so sick of that song by the end of the year, I wanted to kill myself, I'll be honest. That song was pretty fucking annoying. Yep, so we're gonna build a chest, we're gonna put it right over here. And inside the chest, we're gonna put important things, like nitrate, because we don't need nitrate, no one likes nitrate. Charcoal, oh wait, shit, we got berries and I eat them. This is how you survive. Okay, that was actually really refilling. 4 berries, man. That was really helpful. Alright, check that out. We're all good, all healthy. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Twilight Minecraft. Bye!